Hey there, this is Christina with WTI. Are you looking for a multivitamin that has everything you need in just one pill? I just love this whole food vitamin by New Chapter. I like that it is specifically for my women's health. I have one that is also for my husband's health. So, what is great about this is that it is a whole food vitamin. It is easy to digest. It can be taken on an empty stomach. And it has things that I need. It has stress and energy support. It has hormone support. And of course, the very important immune support. It is just a one daily pill. You can see here the size of it, along with some of my other pills. It's about the size of a quarter, but it is smooth and very easy to swallow. I take it in the morning with a nice big glass of water. It doesn't have any kind of flavor or taste to it, and it goes down nice and easy. So if you're looking for a vitamin that is going to provide immune support, stress and energy support, hormone support, is organic, that you could take just one pill to satisfy all of those things, then I definitely would recommend this multivitamin by New Chapter. And that is my point of view.